Hello everyone, this is the maths video for students of class 6. So our topic for today is integers. You have already studied about whole numbers and natural numbers in your previous chapters. Whole numbers are the numbers which begins with 0. So whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it goes on. Natural numbers are the numbers which begins with 1. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and it goes on. Now what are integers? Integers are positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. So positive integers are just like natural numbers. So it starts from 1 and it continues till infinity. Negative numbers are also like natural numbers, but it has got a negative sign. So negative numbers are -1, -2, -3 and it goes on. So 0, so positive integers, 0 and negative integers together make integers. Now we know that 1 is greater than 0. Similarly 2 is greater than 0. 3 is greater than 0 or any other thing, any other positive number, say 235, that is greater than 0, say 500, that is greater than 0. So we can say that all the positive integers are greater than 0. In the same way, negative integers, say -1 or -2, all these numbers are less than 0. 0 is greater than these numbers. So all the negative numbers are less than 0. Hence we can conclude that positive integers are greater than 0 and 0 is greater than negative integers. Now how to represent integers in a number line? If you draw a line, you have to mark this middle portion of the line, the middle one, as 0. Now all the positive integers will appear on the right side of 0 and all the negative integers will come on the left side of 0. So we always start the numbers from 0, be it positive or negative. So for positive integer, after 0 on the right side, we will write 1 and 2 and then it will continue. And for negative integers, we again start from 0 and here it will be -1, -2 and it will move to the leftward side. Now as we move towards our right, the number becomes bigger and bigger. Say 0 or 4. If we compare these two numbers, which number is bigger? 4 is bigger because out of these two numbers, the number on the right side is always bigger. Suppose if we compare -4 and -1, then here -1 will be bigger than -4. So -1 is the greater number. If you compare any negative number with any positive number, then the positive number is greater. So this is why we can say that the number on the right side is always greater than the number on the left side. Now let us move to exercise. Come to exercise 3A. Question number 1. Write the opposite of each of the following statements. Here we just have to make the opposite of these statements. Whatever words are given, we just have to use the opposite words. So question number 1 is gain of rupees 90. So in this question there is a gain. So we will write the opposite of gain, that is loss. So our statement will be loss of rupees 90. Question number 2, 70 meter above sea level. So here above, instead of above we will write below because opposite of above is below. So our statement will be 70 meter below sea level. Question number 3, 200 meter due east. So instead of, due west. So instead of west, we have to write east. So 200 meter due east. Question number 4, 25% increase. Now the opposite of increase is decrease. So 25% decrease. Number 5, 10 degrees Celsius below freezing point. So the opposite of below is above. So 10 degrees Celsius above freezing point. So in this manner, you can just simply take the words and you can find the opposite of these words and you have to make the statements. So you can do rest 5 questions on your own. Now number 2, indicate the following using negative sign. See, in number 1, we had to make the opposite of these statements. We have to just take the words and we have to find the opposite words and we have to make the statement. In number 2, we have to indicate the negative sign. Whatever number is given, we have to just make the negative of that number, but our statement should also be same. So suppose if the statement is an increase of 8 and we are making, instead of 8 we have put here negative sign. So we are putting negative sign here. So we cannot write an increase of -8. We have to keep the same statement. The meaning of the statement should not change. So that is why the word that is used here, we have to write the opposite of this word also. So an increase of 8 will become a decrease of -8, because increase will become decrease. Since we are changing this sign, we are making a positive number negative. That is why we have to take this word and we have to write the opposite of this word. So number 2, loss of rupees 300. Again, instead of rupees 300, we are writing minus rupees 300. So this is the reason why instead of loss, we are writing gain. So this will be gain of minus rupees 300. Number 3, spending rupees 725. This will be saving rupees 720. Saving minus rupees 725. Number 4, 53 meter below sea level. So minus 53 meter above sea level.